Well, hello there, it's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. So, today I would like to work with this rather unique piece. I believe it used to be a sand clock with the glass part missing. It is definitely a very cool find. It is made from very heavy wood. There are some decorations here on the top, otherwise, it's pretty plain, and I, of course, want to reinvent it. So I first want to add some decorations to the bottom of those pillars, and I use my E6000 and a plastic ribbon. I also use some metal bits taken from a bracelet and some round swirly beads. Now off camera I also added two washers to the top and bottom of the rotation piece. You of course will see all the steps I took to redecorate this piece, but I did edit out anything that was repetitious. Also, there were times when you really couldn't see very well what I was doing, so I shortened those parts. A couple are sped up, but overall I think you will get a good idea how I went about turning this into something even more interesting. Like always, anything I used, be it mediums or bits and pieces, will be in the captions. So please enjoy some music, enjoy the process, and I will be back talking to you in just a wee bit. And with that little touch up, I completed my project, and here it is one more time. The little figurine, it's only glued down by its arms, legs and head, but it's quite sturdy. Now I didn't paint the frame because it's the same bronze color than the handle. Up here on the top you have the same color as I used on the figure. So it spins nicely and freely either direction, and it actually has two magnets embedded in the wood, one on the top and one on the bottom, and it holds it in place when it's done spinning. Now here on the top I added a metal label. It says courage on it. It is naturally tarnished as it came from an old bracelet, and I thought it was fitting as it takes guts to change directions drastically, like this little guy is doing. Like always, I used lots and lots of little bits and pieces, broken jewelry, charms, handyman things. I tried to create texture with the rope and the plant netting and so on. I did keep the ceiling plain black, but I added some black felt to the very bottom to give it some padding and to just clean it up. Now when decorating this piece, for the most part, I purposely used small items as I did not want to change the shape or the function of it. And that's also one reason why I kept the little figurine pretty plain. I wanted to make sure that it spins freely. I of course added the handle on the top because it complements the colors, and you know me, I like handles and doorknobs on some of my assemblages. Now I understand that this is a very unique find, but you may be surprised to see potential in so many disregarded items if you just look at them with an artist's eye. So give it a try. I hope today's video was an inspiration to you. Thank you so very much for coming. I see you soon again. Bye bye for now.